Hey guys, today I just want to sort of go through a few housekeeping about our teams and how to best use it so we can all be on the same page. All right, so here's my home page, and I'm going to go into our class accounting. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone and changed a few things around, but first thing I want to draw to your attention is the reply button. Okay, so here, instead of creating a new post down here, if I've posted something and you're replying to that conversation, okay, so just hit the reply button there and post in there, okay, and then that way it stays connected to this particular conversation, okay. So what that helps to do is keep everything close to the bottom that's the most recent instead of having conversations sort of all over the place. Okay, so that's the first thing. Hit the reply button. Okay, so reply. Um, Next stage is the our setup over here. Okay, so this is our general one. This is where I'm going to post the conversations. Okay, this one here, the lessons tab. Okay, I'm just going to move that screen down there. Here I did an annotated so voiceover of my PowerPoint slides, which have still been uploaded to OneNote as per usual. But here, yeah, I've spoken over the top of it, so you can download this. You can listen to my explanation of each slide. And this form here, I want you to complete so that I get some feedback on whether you find it useful and how I can improve it. Okay, so if you just hit reply there, or sorry, if you just click on the form, complete that. It should give you enough information. If you have any questions regarding that, you hit reply here. Okay, and these forms will also be found on files. Okay, and you can see in there there's a file there. So that's in our lessons one. Okay, post. The other one we have is exercise solutions. So here, okay, I've gone and put in here, I've done a work through of some solutions. Okay, so here again, I want you can click on that. Here's me talking. Whoop, let's not do that. Let's go back to Teams. Here you'll get my explanation of how to answer this question. In this case, I've done exercise 9.2. Okay, and so that's on the cost of inventory. And I've also created a form here for you to complete whether you found that useful or not. Okay, so here I'm trying to get information from you as to what's going to work best. Okay, so that's exercise solution. So I'll also post the textbook solutions to this page, and that's about it. Okay, so that's for this one. Here we have the outcome tasks. Okay, and so on this page, I'm going to post, we're going to try to do this weekly, and that's the task that I'll give you feedback on. Okay, at the moment, we're going to use Compass. Okay, and I'll give you a video in a second about why we're going to use Compass and how feedback can be more useful. Okay, so that's it. Another key thing with Teams is the chat function. Okay, so Andrew messaged me yesterday, which is fantastic. Okay, so here's a better way to communicate with me to avoid using email. If you just have a question for yourself, okay, then please feel free to answer in there. If you want, you can create a new chat by clicking on the right click button. Just go new chat, and then you just start typing someone's name in. So Anna. Yeah, I might talk to Anna and start a new conversation. You can do this with a group of your friends, okay? So you can call it a new name, but yeah. So that's where chat can be useful as well. Okay. I think at this stage you should, if up the top here you're not receiving notifications, I'll just move my thing again. okay, go to channel notifications and notify me. So here I'm going to change this to yes, I want to receive notifications, and everyone should do the same thing for each page. Okay, so we know that some new information's come in. Okay, I'm going to minimize this to one post per day. Okay, just so that there's not an overload of information. Okay, so again, I'm just going to go through. So anytime you guys post something on here, I'll receive a notification in my feed. Okay, this one should already be set anyway. Okay, yeah, so that's good. Alright, so that's another important feature. So that's it, guys. That's our team. Yeah, just get used to using this. Ask the questions in the reply button. Each channel here is for a different purpose. Okay, so keep a tab on all of them, and that's it. Thanks.